key story that we have been following is about the row, which has, of course, been stoked by under-trial activist Stan Swamy's death recently in Mumbai. Now, amid massive outcry over the death, the centre, in its first response, has clarified that the 84-year-old was detained and arrested under due process of law. The MEA has issued a statement saying action was taken against violation of law and not against exercising legitimate rights. Now, the death of the under-trial activist arrested in the Elgar Parishad case has drawn sharp criticism from the opposition as well as international organizations. Earlier, yesterday, the UN human rights body had said that no one should be detained for exercising rights. So we can see, as a reaction to that, the MEA has now put out a statement saying the arrest and detention was as per law. So this is, of course, the MEA statement that we have, in fact, got on Stan Swamy's death. And with the MEA saying due process of law was followed by NIA, the bail was rejected due to specific nature of charges, authorities not against legitimate exercise of right, and that Stan Swamy received medical attention from May 28 when he had started complaining about a medical issue. The MEA also said that India is committed to protecting rights of citizens. Let me go across to Times Network's National Affairs editor Srinjoy Chaudhary, who is joining us on this. Srinjoy, so this is, of course, a statement which has come out from the MEA. This after the kind of comments that we saw actually coming in from several human rights bodies, international human rights bodies, including the UNHRC, which has said no one should be detained for exercising rights. But this is the response which has now been put out by the MEA, saying all legal procedures were followed in this case.
You're right. A lot of human rights organizations all over the world have protested. And also the Western media has been writing about it for quite a while, which is why the MEA has said, one, that all laws were followed. And secondly, the fact that Stan was in hospital when he unfortunately passed away. These are the points that have been made by the MEA. But the point that has to be made is that the Western human rights organizations and the media have been very critical about this incident.
That's right, Srinjoy. Thank you so much for joining us with that.